we're Lockstead, and we are going to film a video for you today. This is Christina, Signe, and Isabella, and we're gonna do a Google Translate tag.
Yay.
It's going to be so much fun.
But you have to guess what the sentence is and which language.
Yeah.
If you can. Isabella, du er mørkrigelig hakheit.
Isabella have great clothes on today. Wait, what? And it's probably Zulu. It's Zulu.
No, it's not.
You
So
asked
0
Zulu.
points for Isabella. Sorry.
What
What?
was it?
It was
Finnish. It was Finnish?
Finnish?
It was
No,
Finnish.
it cannot be. Finnish, and the sentence was. I don't have it on English.
Alright, so she doesn't even remember her own sentence.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
I should probably have proved it. Sorry.
Okay. Wait, who is it for? It's for everybody, just guess.
You could guess.
Yeah, alright, I'll guess now. Savasi Kushesa Guitar.
Wait, what?
Let's try again. Savasi Kusesa Guitar.
That's French?
No,
I have no idea. Like French? Yeah. Italian?
just say what you think and what you think.
Alright, it was something with a guitar.
Mhm.
And you want to learn how to play the guitar?
And what language do you think it is?
It is, could you please say? Oh, it's Spanish.
No. Okay, I'll find it. It's Swahili.
How am I supposed to guess that? Who even knows that
And
language?
it means I can't play guitar.
Alright, I have the guitar part right. So that's 1 point for me. Yes, I think it's a better point because you guessed the word. So yeah. This
Yes.
shirt is so comfortable, but it's just so big, even though it's so small.
Mine is small.
I can have mine. So I'm just gonna say the sentence, and then you're just gonna guess the
Language and what?
language and what it is, and then maybe say yes. Alright.
Okay, say it.
Okay. Sheshu enigmi nui. Alright, that's something Asian. Isn't that? No.
It's Swedish.
African?
It's not
Swedish?
Swedish.
African?
No.
Some African country? I'm gonna say it again. I think you can understand this because Sheshu enigmi nui.
It's French.
Yes, it's French. Is it French?
Yes.
I'm just really bad at French. I'm sorry, I can't hear it. I'm just really bad at French. It's the same name as the perfume. Me too. Oh, it's something about your perfume. So it's not. Oh.
Our moment or something.
Shit. Sure.
Just say it. We will never guess it.
Okay. It was something about I. There's something about I, and then.
You can tell me. Why? No flashy stomach.
I don't know. This is
Alright.
stupid.
This is getting too weird. It's getting too weird. Signe, Masla und Kikirikia Lubau.
Is this
You'll never-
Romanian?
No. But it's close,
But it's close.
I think.
So it's
No, it's not Polish.
Russian.
No.
I have no idea. Okay, it's something about me.
Yes?
I got that.
But that's not a point because you said your name.
Yes. It's something about me and
You
That is
can.
my little sister's birthday or something like that. I don't know.
No, it's
not.
Bosnian. And
Bosnian?
it means Sina loves peanut butter.
That's right. I do.
Okay, well then.
We're really bad at this. Alright. I haven't said sentences yet, but...
Okay, you'll get my
Oh my gosh. That wasn't what I was expecting. Alright, I got it. Vocum nel mio naso.
It's definitely Italian. Italian, yes.
Alright then. What's the sentence?
Okay, say it again.
Say it again. Vocum nel mio naso.
It's something about you liking pesto. You like pesto.
You like pesto. I do love pesto, but it's not that. Okay, I'm gonna say mine. What, you didn't guess? I have gum in my nose.
You do?
No, I don't. It's just a sentence.
Yeah, but
Alright, so the thing is, our camera just cut off, and we just had our, this big fight.
something about grass in
I
my
think
hair.
it's more like a, it was funny. Okay, I'm gonna say the sentence. Okay. Christine Traum, der sitzt wie der Vogel frisst. Alright, I me, and there's something about Twitter.
Traugel, that means like you.
I have no idea. Like,
I'm so bad at
seriously.
German. Like,
You don't know that?
no, it's
Okay, I'm gonna say
it's
that.
German and it's something about Christine and her Twitter obsession.
No. I
Or
don't
it
have a
is,
Twitter
but-
obsession.
But it's not like something about the obsession, but it is something about Twitter.
It's not an obsession because I'm kind of quitting Twitter. It's not funny anymore. I'm not quitting Twitter, but I'm just not using it that much.
Okay, so I'm gonna say it. It's Christine dreams that she is the Twitter bird.
Oh, what a great sentence.
Okay, my turn.
When is it my turn again?
High five for your sentence.
Whoa! I think it was a good sentence, and I picked Yemen because we know that language, and maybe that was one that we could guess, but you two are fucking tough as a second guess.
What? It was just Italian. Italian is a
Okay.
great language.
Christine, jesti bananen siedzieli dan.
Christine eats a banana. We agree about that, right?
Yeah.
And something about her belly. It sounded like that.
I said, Christine,
you say
jesti
jelly?
bananen siedzieli.
Siedzieli.
Cijelli.
My
No, because then you can see what it means.
Okay, what is it? It's Spanish.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay, it means Christine eats bananas all day.
What? I don't.
This is Spanish.
No, it's Croatian.
Alright, my turn.
What?
No. I can't figure out your...
What the fuck have you done?
I totally crashed your phone.
Yeah.
Why
Anyway,
you
so I'm just gonna use my iPod because your phone is.
My phone doesn't suck. Okay, it
It
sucks.
totally does. Yo estaba en un barco de hoy.
Say it again.
Yo estaba en un barco de hoy.
You?
Egyptian.
Egypt. Egypt.
Okay, yeah.
No, it's not.
I think it's like a little like I don't know. I just say it's Greek.
No.
But I just say this, and then it means like you are never something about anything. I don't even.
No. Yo estaba en un barco de hoy.
Something about me and Spella, like you are some.
You are so yes.
Nope. Actually not. Alright guys, so that was the end of this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.
If you like it.
And comment down below what you thought of it, because we would really like to see some comments.
Oh, and comment what you want to see us do next time, because
yeah, we're really struggling with all of those video ideas things, so that would be really nice.
Yes, and then we think we'll be uploading on a 2 weeks basis, right?
Yeah.
Then we have time, we'll film a video and then we will edit as fast as we can.
And then we'll go up because we really are busy and have a lot of things to do, so
with school and work and
just
everything.
Yeah, so we'll say goodbye.
Yeah. Oh, remember to tell all of your friends about our channel, because we would really like to, you know, get some more subscribers.
That would be because yes, only us, so you, we still love you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my face. We love you.
Yeah.
A lot.
So, bye!
Bye!
That was awkward.